Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Chronicles. I am Yoga, and this is the 2018 Panorama Panorama. Oh my lord. Anyway, okay, the Panamera 4S. This is the 2018. It is a beautiful car. Cosmetically, I don't know as far as the driving. So there are different options as far as like of what I've reviewed for different channels. There's like options on options, and of course all those options come with additional costs. So like with my Mustang, of course you have the different packages and the pricing and all that fun jazz, but like for everything, it seems like for the Porsche they charge. If you want it, you're gonna pay for it. So with this one, it is 440 horsepower. It does have the 21-inch rims. Overall, as far as the packaging, I think it is pretty much, for the most part, loaded. What else? It has, as far as the driving, it does have sport, so that way you can have more stiffness in your drive. Like I'm coming into this corner, so I'm taking, if I probably was in sport, it'd probably be a little more stiffer with the driving, but I didn't have it on red light, so I'm going to click into sport right click. And then there's how many. Okay, I have assistants, but they're not being seen. So far I like the car. The Porsche, as far as the cost, they are expensive. So that is something to take into consideration. As far as being a luxury vehicle, this would be a great vehicle that if you you do have a family and you still want to have that extra go, this would be like a great vehicle to utilize, that you can still have fun, that is a sporty vehicle, and just enjoy your ride at the end of the day. Nice. Because with my Mustang, it does the same thing. If I put it in sport mode, like, yeah, if you put it in sport mode, that way it'll give you that instantaneous pickup. It's not like a lot of torque, as far as like it won't make you go crazy or anything with the driving, but it does definitely help as far as like if you're trying to pass a vehicle that might be moving a little too slow for yourself. So, I need to go. Thank you for not turning. Definitely handling the corners. guys. So I'm gonna conclude my video. Special shout out to my friend. So special shout out to my friend for letting me utilize their vehicle to get an awesome test drive and just check out another vehicle out here in the world of cars. So as always, hit that subscribe button. Brown.Eyes.Yogini. Hit the subscribe, comment, like, whatever else that you would like to see as far as other vehicles that you would like reviewed, and for us to get a better understanding of the vehicle itself. So until next time, love, light, and positive vibes, everyone. I'm out.